previous video we only did perimeter plotting of this particular land. Now we want to label each lines, each perimeter lines, and put the road. So before we do that, please like and share my video. This help me to do more on this platform. Thanks for the previous one. I'll also appreciate. So let's begin. This is the perimeter survey that we plotted in my previous video. If you have not watched it, if you want to learn on how to get around this perimeter survey, I will advise you to watch the part 1 of this video so that you can know how we arrive to get this perimeter survey. So the first thing we need to do is to go back to your annotate and pick dimension. I will advise you to use align dimension to dimension your line. Also, if you use linear, it will not give you the alignment of all this line. That is why I normally advise people to use align dimension to achieve this. You'll be wondering that the text are okay and well placed. I will also advise you to go back to my previous video to learn on how to. The text are well placed, but they align, they appears bigger. So select every text and explode it. Use X to explode and select them again and reduce the text in order to be able to fit into the line that we have. Let's reduce it to 1.3. Press enter. Okay, I think it's looking better now. So our bearing, how do we place bearing on this, or how do we get the bearing? I will always advise you to trace out this line first before you put your bearing. So that's okay. Explode the line. After exploding it, click on each line. The bearing will appear. If you can't find the bearing, if you click on this line and you can't find this quick property, I will advise you to go to your AutoCAD page where you will see this line. Click on it and you will see quick property. On it here and also turn it in this place. So let's continue. This is my bearing. This is my bearing appearing here. Appearing here. I will copy it and paste. Don't mind me. I like copy and paste so much. Sometimes to type takes time, so that's why I like copy and paste. So I will paste all the bearing there since we already have our distance. So these are our bearing. After that, I will use match property so that they can align as our distance text are aligned. So I will move them I will move them closer. I will move them closer in order to have a neat and good job. Thank you. So this line, I can join it together back and select on it and go back here and color it red and make it red line, which normally used as a boundary line, and also increase the width of the line. You can see that the width, the increment of the line is not showing. How do we do that? I will go back here and turn on the line weight. I will turn on my line weight. I will turn on the line width. This is our line width. If you can't find it here, go back here and turn on the line width. Thank you. So you can see that the line are looking more thicker than what we have before. So let's include our road. Let's offset 9 meters road. Let's cut this one off. We don't need it. Let's cut it off and let's reduce the weight and make it white. Offset 9 meters back to have the other side of the road. So let's put points. Go back to your utility point style. Let's pick this one 1.5 and press OK. Then press PO. Enter. Place it on each angle that you have. So I think it's looking better. So let's put our number SC/SC DT CE 3443 C. Let's reduce it to 1 and rotate it. Can we make it blue? Yes. Let's make it blue. That can be different from our text. Rotate. Mind you, in AutoCAD, space is also function as enter in AutoCAD. When you press space, it also functions as enter in AutoCAD. So this one is 4. This one is 1. 0 and 2. So let's put our existing road. Let's centralize it. Let's use match property to match it with the alignment of, let's make it also blue. So we've been able to what? To bring out this survey plan, able to label it. In my next video, I will be showing you on how to locate this particular land using ArcGIS. So see you in my next video. Like, share and comment. Any video that you want us to produce, that you want us to bring out also, comment and we will produce it.